Hi, and welcome back to my channel. One of the things I want to cover today is something that may be quite useful to you. If you're looking at trading in your iPhone or updating to a newer iPhone, one of the things you should do, and one of the things they will want you to do, is to remove your SIM card. So what I'm going to do is show you how to remove the SIM card, but it also comes with a pin. With this pin, you can insert it, and that helps you to get to the SIM card of your iPhone. So let's go ahead and get all the necessary items here, and I'll be right back. So when you receive your iPhone for the first time, something you're going to receive with your phone is just a little packet that looks like this. Now that's where you're going to find your pin. Your pin you will insert into the hole there in order to get to your SIM card. So if I open the packet up, it's just got a little additional information, as you can see here. A couple cards. Of course, you got the Apple symbol. Your pin's going to be on the back side of one of those cards. All you got to do is just fold in the flaps. Now this is very vital. Perhaps if you don't have this, you can also get the right size paperclip. This may be a little bit too big. As you can see, it's got the purple coating on it, so it may be slightly too large. But this is perfect. Now, if you don't have one of these, you can actually grab anybody's that has an iPhone. It comes with the phone. There again, it's just in the packet of information that comes with your phone as well. So once you go to your phone, you're going to find the side. There's just a little pinhole right on the side here. Now, you have 3 buttons which are going to be off to the side. You have one which is going to be on the side of its own. All you're going to do is take your pin, just insert it in the hole here, and push forward. Now once you push, pops open as such, and voila! As you can see, there's the clip, and here's the SIM card. So once you have the SIM card removed, you can take your clip, just insert it back into the hole, and push down. Now, your SIM card has been removed. You're ready and willing to trade in your vehicle, move on to the next vehicle. There again, simple pin here. Now, please remember, I've already moved the SIM card. Just place it within the hole. You can do a paper clip as well. You just don't want to do one that's coated like this one because it's definitely going to be too thick. Insert it in the pinhole here off to the side. Just going to show you. You can see that side has the 3 buttons. This is the only side that just has the 1. Take it, simply insert within the pinhole there, push in, pops open. As such, you're just going to remove this. That is the housing for your SIM card. Once you have that out, you can just place this right back in, and you're ready to go, or this phone's ready for its next owner. And putting some of the accessories on your phone definitely is something I would highly suggest, because if you look at the screen here, a lot of people would say that screen looks awful, it's cracked, but it's not. You can take it and peel, as you can see. You can take it and peel off. That's just cracks in the screen cover. Thank you for tuning in once again. That video is not the norm, but I did want to bring you that information because you never know when it's going to be helpful. And while you're here, if you need anything automotive, which is primarily what my channel is about, but every now and then I do commercial breaks such as this, definitely hit subscribe. I will come to you with more helpful information.